Yes, Praji. So today I thought to discuss something very crucial. How do we make different projects using our Microsoft PowerPoint? So there are many options for that. First option is how we make brochures. Like we find now, we see some brochures of some company, some coaching, or any event is coming like that. We get many brochures for that we can design in our PowerPoint very nicely. Also, we can design reports, like especially one report which we design in our PowerPoint is our monthly report, which we send to Radhesham Prabhu every month like that. But that responsibility was mine to make monthly report. But since last 3-4 months, I am stuck in the same report. So I will show you today how to make a report project. But making a report is a very elaborate thing that may not be possible to cover in next 15 minutes. But I will show you a part of it and then we'll continue the same tomorrow. How to make a report. So that will be a very good, what we say, a very big achievement in our poster designing training. If we can learn how to make reports in Microsoft PowerPoint. Till now, we have learned how to make a WhatsApp icon, how to make thumbnails, how to make posters, how to make event posters, even how to make different PPTs. That one is still remaining. I know how to make PPTs very effectively and quickly. That we will take. But Pruji also has told many a times that it is good if we can make a report for our yoga and all of us can learn that. That is very good. So Pruji, I will share my screen. We will start with report. So also one more thing, Pruji, in case you find that my voice is breaking in between or my video is also stucking, then you can tell me. I will put some better internet connection I have available with me like that. I hope it is clear at least till now. Yes, Pruji, I think it's not clear, huh?
Yes.
Okay, clear or it is clear?
Clear, Prabhuji.
Okay, because I want to make sure now you will not be able to hear anything otherwise. I'll be speaking from my side with great speed, but all of you will not be able to catch up if voice is breaking, Pruji. Okay, Pruji. So again, one of the very important thing before designing any report is that we should have a blueprint in our mind. So again, we'll do the same thing. We will write somewhere what all I want in my report. Like you remember last time we have written friendship day kind of that. If I want to make a PPT of friendship day, then what is a blueprint, how many slides I want in that and what each slide will signify. Now I will take one more page. I will simply write making a report, or I can write yoga report. If we can learn this, it will be a very good, what we say, accolade in our poster designing training, Pruji, like that. So I will simply take, so now Pruji, our yoga report will contain a front page, that is a cover page. It should have a very nice, attractive page. So that will include our knowledge, what all we have gathered till now to make a poster. Like that, we will try to make a front page of our report very beautiful. It should be very attractive because our devotees will be seeing that, senior devotees like Radhesham Prabhu and all. So it should be very beautiful actually and fully spiritual like that. So it should contain one front page. Then second, it should have Pruji contents. So what this report will show you in further slides, in further pages that we will write down in one slide like that. So next thing, it should have contents. Third thing, it should have different pages. Different pages. So now these pages will be the same which we have mentioned in contents. That will be same. So now this is a general, and yeah, one last slide should also be there. Fourth, that is the ending slide should be there. Ending slide that will show if Hare Krishna Mahamantra is there. Hare Krishna Mahamantra. that can be there, or any conclusive, what we say, summary of a report. So conclusion can be there. Okay, so now this is in general. Now, if I want to make a yoga report, then what should be the cover page? What should be the contents? What should be different pages? And what should be an ending slide? So today, in next 12 minutes, we will see only 2 pages, Proji. That is front page and last page. Others in between pages we will see tomorrow. So I'll open PPT. We'll just make a front page and a last page. So because it will be a report, Proji, it's better if I can start it in taking a A4 size, because in case I want to take a printout of my report, it will be very good. It will come in a A4 size and it can be very well printed as well. But because lockdown is going on, and we will send this report through mails to all the devotees. So then it is better I don't take a portrait mode of A4 sheet. It's better I will make it on a horizontal, a landscape mode, because landscape mode is more easy to open on a laptop. So that we will keep in mind, and we will start. So the first slide which I will take will be 4:3 size, because 4:3 is generally fine. It is not very wide also, and proper like that. So now I want to design a cover page and an end page. So only these two pages we will design today, Proji. So if I am designing a cover page of a yoga report. Yes, Arundan, are you saying something?
Yes, Praji. Praji, can't we take A4 size? Means it's report, na? How is it that only 3:4 will be? How is
okay, okay, yeah. In case, generally a report should be in A4 size only, as I told you. But because now lockdown is going on, we are not going to take a printout of it. We will simply send this report through Gmail or something like that. So in that case, it's better if we can take a landscape mode. Now landscape mode can be A4 also, like that. But I'm just taking 4:3 because 4:3 is not very wide also. A4 is somewhat more wider, like that. Simple. You can take A4 also, no issues. But the only point is take it in a landscape mode, because it will appear good while opening on a laptop. If you are opening on your phone, then then A4 is better, or portrait mode is better, because in phone we have screen like this na, in a A4 size, while laptop screen is like this. Fine, Arundan Prabhu?
Hare Krishna Prabhuji, yes. We are not able to hear you.
Okay, my voice is breaking. Anil Prabhu? Yes, I'm asking why you cannot hear me. Is my voice breaking?
Actually, no. You are fine, Proji, actually. In sense, your voice is fine for me.
You're fine. For me also it is fine.
Prabhu, are you able to hear me?
Yes, Prabhu, I can hear you.
Hare Krishna.
So I think your internet problem is there, not mine. Anil Prabhu, we can hear you very clearly. Fine. Yes, Pruji. In case you find, Pruji, some difficulty, you can tell me. I will put LAN cable. Yes, Pruji. So we'll make 2 slides, first and last slide. So, but I will make last slide first because it is more easier. In that case, I will simply take a background and I will simply put a Hare Krishna Mahamantra on it. But now that background should be very beautiful. So I have got some few backgrounds with me, very nice backgrounds from Krishna Leela I have. So we can choose anyone from it. All are very beautiful. Not anyone, we will not choose Lord Buddha or Vamana, we'll choose Krishna only. So this one is also very beautiful. Krishna dancing on the hoods of Kalia. Right now, Prabhuji?
Really super, Prabhuji.
Really nice. Are you able to hear me, Prabhuji? This our Anil Pro is saying. Anil Pro, okay, he's not there in meeting, I think. He left. Yes, Prabhuji. So we will take this photo. We have many other photos also. Such very beautiful photos are there. This one we have already taken, Krishna and cow. And a part of it, this one is also very beautiful. But Hare Krishna Mahamantra we have to put now. Yes, Prabhuji. So for now, we will take that one only, Prabhuji. Krishna dancing on the hoods of Kalia. Where it is? Yeah. So I will simply copy, simply go to my PPT and I will paste it. So, but it is not getting fit into my image. So I will use the same technique which we have seen yesterday, Prabhuji. That technique was that I will reduce the size of the image. Or I want to write Hare Krishna Mahamantra, so it can be like this actually. So I have reduced the size. Now I will go to soft edges. I will make soft edges, full soft edges I will make, not full, like this. And I will choose a format background for it. Let's say solid fill I will choose. Purple. How it is looking, Prabhuji? To me, it is not looking very good.
Purple was matching with Krishna's color.
That one, this one, violet or purple.
That
Sorry,
may
purple.
be like depends. If you want contrast, then
Yes, Prabhuji, correct. I also want, Prabhuji, little. This is also not good. Okay, I think image we have taken little different. So for now, we will take the same image then. This one we will take. Fine, Prabhuji. This is very beautiful photo. We can put as many number of times as possible. So my design ideas are coming without asking also. Yeah, so we will make it little small. And then we will write Hare Krishna Mahamantra here on this side. Or we can write above it also. That is also fine. I'm just trying, Prabhuji. I'm trying to see that how it will come with soft edges. Let's say I'm putting this. And for this, I know what background color to take because we have made that Ekadashi poster now with this. So this looks good now, Prabhuji.
Yes, Prabhuji.
So now simply write Hare Krishna because it's an ending slide. So we'll just take a text box and we will write here, chant and be happy. Sorry, not chant and be happy. We'll write chant. And what they should chant? They should chant Hare Krishna Mahamantra. So it will be Hare Krishna Mahamantra here. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. Krishna, Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama. Fine, Prabhuji. And we will simply, what we will do, we will make it little brighter so that it's visible. So, first of all, we will increase the size. Then we will put alignment to be proper. So I had put alignment in middle, and then chant is little up. Will take Hare Krishna Mantra, and I will change the font. I will see how Black Canary will look on it. Otherwise, we will take different one. Okay, Black Canary is looking beautiful only, so we'll take. And then chant also will put in the same Black Canary, and then just one last thing we'll put, and be happy. Chant and be happy. A should be small, like that also. Fine, na? Yes, Prabhuji. So now we'll simply change the font color now. Font color and glow we will add. So font color will be, this one is very good.
Prabhuji, how you selected all the three texts?
All the three boxes, Prabhuji?
हाँ.
Simple Proj. See, if you will click inside it, then it is showing the cursor na that I can type.
हाँ.
Then I can't choose Proj. But if I simply click above this, like when this option comes na in 4 direction one comes. So I can click on it. Now the box is selected. I will simply press Control and I will click as many things. Proj.
Okay. अच्छा. Okay, Proj.
Yes, Proj. So this is fine. I think even if you will not add glow, that is also fine only. Like this it is looking. Or we can add also glow. At least to Hare Krishna Mahamantra we can add. So we will simply select glow. All these things you already know now. These are very simple actually. But I'm just showing you so that we can get more confidence that like this, this is fine. So chant Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare. Like that. So this will be our ending slide. If you want to make it even more beautiful, we will put one peacock feather as usual. So I will insert pictures. I will go to my yoga report. I think here my peacock feather was not there. Where it was, posted is something, na? Simply enter, remove background, click outside, and we'll take it. So chant Hare Krishna and be happy. So we added this version. it looks good now, Proj. Like that. We will give some glow to it as well. So picture effects, glow, and same glow will give like that. So this is our last slide, Proj. Chant and be happy. Any improvements, Proj, you would like to tell in this, like how we can make it even more better?
And be happy can be little above, Proj. How is it?
Okay, yes, correct. Like here, na?
That's
That's
wonderful.
Yes, it's good. But my only concern is that it is somewhat dark. So, but that is also fine because our picture fits with it like that. So that's it, Proj, for today. Tomorrow we are going to see how to make a front page of a report. Today we have seen the last page of a report. That was very simple as such. Fine, Proj, you want to ask anything, Proj? Or yeah, Pro. Yes, Proj, it's 3:30. Yes, Pro, you can leave now. Thank you, Pro. We are also about to end.
Okay, Prabhu. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Pro. Yes, Proj, any questions or we are good to close, Proj, for today? We will meet tomorrow. Sorry, in a half an hour, 10 minutes goes in asking homework and then we are left with very less time. That much only we can do. But this is also good. If we can do it every day, then it will be very good, Proj. Like that. So at least I am very happy, Proj, that we could continue our classes. We started last Monday and 1 week we have successfully completed. All of you also did a lot of homework. At least few of you, Proj. Like that. So that is very good. I believe you might have learned also, Proj. But now you have to gain confidence how we can make it very beautiful. And then when you will gain confidence now, Proj, then any poster you can make and what pictures to put, what should be the color scheme and what should be the background, then you will become very confident like that. So generally practice is more important. Like theory though we can learn from anywhere, Proj. So that is why we will meet tomorrow, Proj. Yes, Anil Prabhu.
You are recording all these sessions. Is there available anywhere?
Yes, Proj. I am recording them and I am uploading also. In case you want, I can share link with you.
Yeah, Proj, can you please share the link?
Yes, Proj, I will share.
Actually, I missed 2-3 classes in the middle, I think, Saturday or Sunday.
I think you missed all the classes, Proj. You attended only one.
No, in starting 2-3 classes I attended.
Yeah, correct. You have attended a few, bro. You only missed Okay, bro. I will share link with you. Don't worry. I have uploaded all of them.
Thank you.
ठीक है Pruji, thank you so much. In case you don't have any questions, we will meet tomorrow 3 o'clock again for half an hour, 3 to 3:30, and we will learn how to make a front page of a report. And then we'll go more into the report. Few more pages we will explore and how things go. And then we will learn how to make a report also. Then all of you become very expert. All of you will become very expert. And then things will go very nice, Pruji. We will gain a lot of mercy of Lord. Any questions, Pruji? One, Sankran Pru, was it fine?
Yes, Prabhu, it was fine. I will do the
So
homework.
for you, Pruji, same homework is there.
Yeah.
Don't feel any pressure. Just try to make one poster, Pruji, simply. Like
Okay.
you take some background, you put some font, try to do something with font like that. Don't feel any pressure that we have to submit that poster only, but at least you will learn something in that.
Yes, Prabhu, I will do it.
So homework will be you same. Even if you have got only 10 minutes, you spend those 10 minutes in just doing those things. Just put a background, put some font, and try to put some image like that.
Yes, Prabhu.
But my point is you should do something, Pruji, and you have to show also tomorrow. Whatever you did. Okay,
Yes,
now?
Prabhu, I'll do it. I will do it. Sure.
Yes, Pruji. And for others, Pruji, there is no homework for now. We will meet tomorrow, and maybe at the end of tomorrow's class, we will have something. For Gopi Pru, homework is that he can refine that poster, Pru.
हाँ प्रभु जी.
Yes, Pru. So try to think, Pru. Sit down at one place for 5 minutes, take one copy and pen with you, and try to design something with your hand. Just be mindful for 5 minutes and try to think as much as you can that in this way I can design. I can put that contest kit somewhere else, or I can put the list of prizes like this, like that. So just
Okay.
sit down for 5-10 minutes and try to think that how I can change the design. That's it.
Okay. Prabhu.
Yes, bro. Just spend 5-10 minutes. That will be fine. For
Thank
Arundan Pru, homework will be same, but now Balram Jayanti will not be there tomorrow. So for you also, Pru, if it is possible for you to make something today, that's well and fine. Otherwise, we'll meet tomorrow and then we will have some homework. Similarly for Sandeep Pru also. ठीक है ना Pru ji? No homework for today. We'll meet tomorrow. Tomorrow we'll have something. Okay, Pru ji? Shall we close now?
Yes, Prabhu. Okay.
Yes. Thank you so much. We will meet tomorrow 3 o'clock. Srila Prabhupada ki
Jai.
Balram Jayanti Mahamahotsav ki
Jai.
Yes, Raji. So we'll meet tomorrow. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.